Hello everyone, Sorin Vaduva here. Welcome home to 16D Larkshire Lane, located in beautiful Old Barrhaven. This end-unit townhome features tons of updates, including pot lights, new light fixtures throughout, new flooring throughout, freshly painted, updated kitchen. Let me show you the rest, come on. Dining over here. Let's check out the kitchen. It's huge. Let's check out the primary bedroom. Located at the back of the house, it has loads of space, fits a king, and huge wall-to-wall closet. Welcome to a fully finished lower level family room. Great size, it's got a window, perfect for family entertainment time. Let's go take a look at the backyard now. Come on. Thank you very much guys for watching this video tour. We hope you love this home. As you can see, it's move-in ready. This end unit townhome has everything you need. Perfect for a first-time home buyer. You got this fully fenced backyard with a lot of greenery around. If you have questions or would like to book a private tour, call me today. Thank you.